doing. So let's see text completion. Let me find out. Okay, so this is the code which I have written. So let me explain what I have done. I will take just few minutes actually, not much. So as you understand, I have got this information from React, these plugins and whatever information is important for me. I have got the some questions from constants file which I have created here. Let me show you. Constants, yeah. So here you see here I have if you see some constant questions, default questions I have created so that I can use in the system here, which I was showing you a few minutes back. So these all questions are coming from the constants. Now I have imported this OpenAI because I had installed OpenAI actually, which I have already told you what is the needed. You need to do the npm install OpenAI, and then this is the heading which you are looking at, this one, the top one. Okay, this is the heading. So it is not needed, but I have just provided that to beautify it actually. This is the bootstrap I have used, and then this is the component, text completion component I have written. What I did, let's start from this. Okay, what I did, I am showing the questions. This is the first thing. These questions are coming from there, and then if you see, these are the input text, input type actually, then button. This is the input type text, then this button generate text, and then clear text. On click of this generate text, the blue button, what I am doing is I am calling this generate text button. Let me explain what it is doing. It is calling the function asynchronously, okay, and it is getting the prompt value. Let me explain you step by step what it is doing. It is first of all starting the loading screen. Okay, I am clicking. You see there will be a loading button, loading text over there. You see this one. So it was very quick actually. So after that, it is getting the information from prompt val. So this prompt val, what is that? Is nothing but whatever text is there in the input box, in this box. So it will take that and it will send to the OpenAI.createCompletion method. So this is the model name is text DaVinci 002. You could use some other models also, which I have already explained. There are, it is not that you have to use only one model. There are alternatives, but cost matters actually. DaVinci is little bit costly, but it is more faster and gives more options. So I am sending prompt, and then maximum tokens I wanted is 50. So this maximum tokens parameter, always understand, always remember, these tokens include both whatever you are sending the data and whatever you are getting the data, the combination of both, addition of both. So if you, let's say, send 30 tokens from your input or query string or post message, then you can get maximum 20 tokens as a response, because you are saying max tokens equal to 50, and the maximum token you can use is 4096, and in some models it is 8192 also, 8192 tokens. And I have already explained what is means of token, how it understands and how it calculates the number of tokens and all. Okay, there are some websites wherein you can check also. What I did after that, this result variable, whenever I get, because this is a await function, it will wait until this API will respond, and then I will see if that API has given this response like result.data.choices array, and in the 0th element I will search for text. So I will get this variable into this, and I will set it. Where I will set it? Here. I will set it here. so that you guys can display, you guys can see that, and it is actually output. Okay, so as soon as I received the data from server, I will set the loading icon as false. This is just a logic. Okay, I'm not doing any kind of rocket science here, nothing special, but I'm just on the click of this button, I am sending the data to this function generate text. It is in fact sending request to this function and then getting the data and generating and putting into the translated text as an output so that you can see. That's it. So this is the text completion program which I have shown. So the only stuff here which I am not showing here is the API key, which you need to provide. I have kept it in a constant file and you need to provide over there. This code, if you want, I can provide, but I will not provide my API key. You need to use your own API key because it's a paid stuff, it's not a free stuff. I need to pay for that. So just replace the key and you can use this code. I will provide this code for your reference so that you can reuse this. Okay, thank you very much for staying with me. Let's move on to the another session.